Hi everyone, in this video I will show you that how you can fix Mechabellum is crashing or crashing on startup. So here are some solutions that players have found to work. Now the first solution is check system requirement. Ensure your system meets the minimum or recommended requirement for this game. If your system falls below these specs, the game may struggle to run properly. Now the first solution is update graphic drivers. Make sure your GPU drivers, NVIDIA, AMD, Intel are up to date as outdated driver can cause crashes. Then simply restart the PC, then launch the game, then check your problem is fixed or not. Now, after updating the driver, if your problem is not fixed, the next solution is verify game files. So simply open up the Steam, click on your game, then click on the key icon of your game, go to your game properties. Now here just click on the install file, then click on the verify integrity of game files. Once you click on that, it will take some time, then simply restart the game, then check problem is fixed or not. Now, if your problem is not fixed, the third solution is disable overlays. Overlays such as Discord, GeForce Experience, or Steam can sometimes cause crashes. Disable them to see if the issue is resolved. And this is very important to disable the Steam overlay or the Discord overlay. First, open up the Steam, go to your game properties. Now here, just uncheck this box of overlay. So once you uncheck it, then launch the game, see problem is fixed or not. If your problem is not fixed, then make sure you disable the Discord overlay on your PC. If Discord is installed on your PC, then simply open it and disable Discord overlay. This is very important. Then launch the game, then check problem is fixed or not. Now, if your problem is not fixed, the fourth solution is lower graphics setting. If your PC is struggling to handle the game requirement, reduce graphics setting in game, try turning off shadows and de-aliasing or switching to window mode, then simply launch the game again, then check problem is fixed or not. Now the fifth solution is simply open up the Steam, go to your game properties. Now simply click on the install files. Now here just click on the option of browse. Now here in this folder, just locate your game launcher or exe file of your game. So make a right click on your game launcher, then go to the properties, then click on the compatibility. Now here just uncheck this box of compatibility mode. If this is checked, then also check this box of disable full screen optimization and check the box of administrator. Then click on apply. Now launch the game, check problem is fixed or not. If not, then just check these two boxes of compatibility mode and disable full screen optimization. Then click on the apply. Now launch the game and check problem is fixed or not. Now, if your problem is still not fixed, the next solution that you need to try is disable background programs. Some background program can interfere with the game performance. So simply make a right click on your taskbar and open up the task manager. Now guys, here simply close all unnecessary background application. So here you will see the memory or the CPU on the top. Now if these are above the 90%, then this means this is the data symbol, and close all unnecessary background application that you are seeing on the top because this will consume a lot of CPU or RAM. Then go to the startup on the top. Now here guys, simply disable all of these because when you start your PC, these applications start automatically without your permission and causing a lot of CPU or RAM usage and causing your game crash. So make a right click on all of these, then disable these. Now the next step is to update Windows. Simply go to the Windows search and just type in the update and simply open it. Now guys, simply make sure that your Windows is updated to the latest version. If your Windows is not updated, then update it first, then simply restart the PC, then launch the game, then check problem is fixed or not. Now, if your problem is still not fixed, the eighth solution is check for conflicting software. Some antivirus or firewall program can interfere with the Mechabellum, add the game and launch it to the expectation list or temporarily disable the antivirus or firewall to test if this fixes the crashes. So if this does not fix the problem, the next solution is reinstall the game. So once you reinstall the game again, then simply launch the game again and hope one of the solution fixes your problem. And if yes, please consider liking this video and bye bye and take care.